Yung naglalambing. Hinahag ako ni Kendall. Ang bango mo naman. You smell good. Why you so smell good?
Yes, I'll take a bath.
You just finished take a bath?
Yeah.
Kakataas niya lang din kumain. What do you want to do? You wanna sleep?
Play.
You wanna play? What play? What game?
Number.
What? Kuya Brain is studying. Nag-ano kasi, may task kasi si... Bye-bye! Wow, mga naka-shower na, oh. Mga
Yeah,
fresh.
shower.
Mga babango nyo, ah.
Yeah.
Did you do your task?
No.
Not yet? Why? Nagtatag game sila.
I need to go.
Ay, no, not that. No. No, put it that. Daddy will be, done. Daddy get angry. That's his, golf club.
Oh, okay.
Where's your golf club? Bray, where's your golf club?
No.
No, because Kuya Brayden is doing his task. She want to play with Kuya Bray. Huh? Later, after 2 hours.
No,
You have to take a nap.
now.
Kuya Bray is doing his task for school. Matulog ka, mag-nap ka na lang.
I don't want to sleep.
You need to sleep.
No.
Why? You're tired now. You woke up 6 a.m.
No, I want to play with you.
Later.
I want to go to sleep now.
Nalis ka ni Kuya Bray? May gagawin daw siyang task eh.
Finish your day, then we go to Kuya Bray.
Makain ako sopa.
Dali
You want to stay here?
Ano yung daddy mo sayang?
Sleeping.
Okay.
You're not sleeping. You're tired na ha.
Ganyan ka kasi pag wala kang tulog eh. Mamaya naman pagpapakain.
Patulog na. Akit na lang daw ulit siya kay Kuya Bray niya. Pero sabi ko, huwag niya na lang guluhin. Kasi pag nag-aaral yung si Brayden, gusto nakapokus. Mga pinapagawa din kasi kaming task sa kanya. Gusto kasi ni Brayden na nag-study, may mga sinasagutan. Ang galing na magbasa niya ni Brayden eh. Grabe. Matalino si Kuya Bray. Sobrang advanced. Pagka may mga gusto kasi talaga tutukan si Brayden, gustong matutunan, like pagbabasa ngayon, nagsusulat siya, focus talaga siya. Ayaw niya naman yung mga nangungulit. Cute nga nila kagabi kasi meron din task si Kendall, like about sa shape, colors, and numbers. Si Kuya Bray ang ako yung nagbibideo, si Kuya Bray yung nagtuturo sa kanya. Tinuturuan na rin ni Brayden kasi si Kendall. Parang matured na ngayon si Brayden. Minsan parang may sariling mundo. Kasi may photographic memories niya si Brayden. Parang yung daddy niya. Pagka may pakita ka lang sa kanya isang beses, matatandaan niya kahit saan kami pumunta. Maano yung memories niya. Masyadong sharp. Alis na rin kami maya-maya.